Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily add Instagram feed to your Wix website. So what you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you'll get on this site called Elsite. Elsite is an amazing company with a lot of widgets without programming. So now you want to click sign up for free. You want to sign with Gmail, Facebook or normal mail. It's really up to you. And when you got it, click login. Right here in applications, you want to write in search Instagram. And you see it here, Instagram feed. Let's create a widget. And right here, you can choose between slider, grid, collage, post slider, or even hashtag showcase. Like I really like the hashtag showcase. Continue with the template. Now you can, like I will leave it like it is, but you can add here yummy, or you can add here your own username, or like post location or hashtag. So when you got it, you got like filters here. How many numbers to post to display? I can go with 4. Layout, slider, classic, you can edit those if you want to. Like between grid or slider. Content. Sorting. Source list, position or publication date. And when you got it, what you want to do is this. Click save. But right after it, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out your website, go with the light version to test it out. But if you can have 5,000, 50 or 5 million, go with the basic pro enterprise version. Let's copy the code here. And now it's really simple. So I'm in Wix. I'm going to click add. And we are going to look for HTML or code. Yeah, let's just find it. Empt a widget. Right here under the contact form, empt a widget. Click plus. Right here you want to make it bigger. Like this. You want to click settings and add a code. Update. And voila, just wait. And here you got it. And this is pretty much it. Now when I'm going to preview the website. Voila, here you can see. So I gonna scroll down and I can see right here, beautiful Instagram feed. So this is how you can add Instagram feed to your Wix website. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance what to do. And yeah. See ya.